Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are doing a quick little review. So MILANI recently launched a new collection. It is their new Fruit Fetish collection, and when I saw it on their Instagram I was like, oh my god, I need to get my hands on this. I've been trying to be a lot better at reviewing products and just keep an eye out on collections, which with that said, I do have the new e.l.f. collection coming my way, so you guys know I'm going to review that for you guys. But yeah, today we're just going to do a quick little review on this bad boy right here. There's really not much to it as far as like makeup. Most of these are lip balms, setting sprays, and some new liquid colorful eyeliners, which are these right here. This is what I was excited about. So with that said, if you guys enjoy drugstore / affordable reviews, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out because that pushes up my video to YouTube. YouTube can recommend it more and we can grow our family more. And yeah, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on your bell notification so you never miss any of my videos. And let's go ahead and just start with this review / demo. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I pulled up their website right now. So I did buy the collection bundle, which was $85. It comes with 6 lip balms, 3 neon or 3 colorful eyeliners, and then with 3 setting sprays. If you purchase the Fruit Fetish lip balm on their own, they are $7.99, and if you purchase the Make It Last setting spray, they are $9.99 a piece. And if you purchase the Fruit Fetish Stay Put Bright eyeliner on its own, they're $7.99, which MILANI is usually a little bit like higher up in the drugstore price. Not a lot, but they're just a little bit more expensive. So first I'm going to swatch the Fruit Fetish Mango Coconut Lip Balm. It is a squeezy tube, and all you gotta do, squeeze it out. That smells so good. It's a thicker formula. It's not runny. Application is very easy. These smell exactly like you think they would. Super fruity. So that is the mango coconut. Tastes good a little bit too. The second lip balm we're going to try is the Strawberry Lemonade. Ooh, okay, so this one does have slight color payoff. Now let's see. Oh my god. This one smells so delicious. Oh, yes. Okay, so as you can see, this one has slight tinting to it. Not a lot, but it's almost like it just gives your lips a little hint of color. So again, this is Strawberry Lemonade. Out of the mango coconut and this one's definitely my favorite scent. Oh, it smells so delicious, and I like that it's not an overpowering scent. It's just very delicate. You can smell it, but not too much. Lip balm number 3 is the Dragon Fruit Peach Lip Balm, which is it's the hot pink lip balm. Fun fact, I've actually never ever tried dragon fruit. I've only tried it in like the Starbucks drinks, but I don't know if that counts. Okay, so this one as well has a slight tint to it. This one is more of a hot pink. This one smells really good as well. This one as well, I want to say that it has a slight tint to it. Nothing too crazy, which I really appreciate. I like lip balms that are just a lip balm. If it gives you like a little rosy tone, I'm okay with it, but I don't like it to change to like a red or a hot pink on my lips. This is enough for me. This one smells so delicious, you guys. If you like the scent of peaches, you're gonna like this. I feel like the peach really stands out. So that is Dragon Fruit Peach. Lip balm number 4 is Blueberry Acai, which is a purple and blue packaging. Now opening it up, this one as well is a tinted lip balm. This one smells just as delicious as all the others. I don't see much of a tinting in this one, even though the lip product itself is a slight purple. Maybe it's just the color of my lips. I could be tripping. Let me know if you guys think that I am just making things up and these are not tinted. I feel like they are a little bit. This one just looks like my lips, but better. Lip balm number 5 is the Kiwi Watermelon. I love watermelon. Fun fact, watermelon is probably one of my favorite fruits alongside mango. I love eating watermelon with tahini. It's the best way. So let's open this one up. And this one is a really fun color. It's a neon green with like a little bit of a neon pink lettering. Okay, so this one does have slight tinting and it's a light green. Oh my gosh, this one smells delicious. Oh my god, I just want to eat these. Literally, they smell so yummy. And P.S. if you guys are wondering how much you get 0.41 ounces, which is not bad. If you order the entire collection, you literally have 6 lip balms to go through. So I know I'm not going to need any lip balms in the near future. I think my favorite so far has to be the strawberry lemonade and this one. This one smells so yummy. This one as well, I don't see much of a tinting. It's more like just moisturized lips. I wish you guys could feel the formula on these lip balms. They really do feel so nourishing. The very last one that we have here is the pineapple papaya, which is this one right here. Papaya is also one of my favorite fruits, and pineapple. This pregnancy, I've actually been really into fruits, you guys. For some reason, I've just been craving fruits, which thank God it's like a healthy snack. As always, I eat them with tahini, which doesn't make them very healthy. Tahini is a Mexican little powder that you can add to your fruits, and it's like a mix of sweet and salty. So let's see this one. P.S. The packaging on this one is really cute. It's a neon orange. This one as well has a slight tinting to it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a orange. I keep saying that this one smells good. This one smells good. They all just smell so yummy. Love how shiny my lips look. Oh, I live for a good juicy glossy lips, especially when I'm wearing like very basic makeup like today. I love how this one smells too. Okay, since that was the last lip balm to try out, I'm just going to leave it on my lips. That way it also kind of has a little bit of time to sink into my lips, and I will let you guys know how I feel about them. So let's get into the Fruit Fetish setting sprays because we have 3. In the collection, they have Mango Coconut, which is the one that I have yet to try. They have Kiwi Watermelon, which is this really cute green and yellow packaging. And then they have the Dragon Fruit Peach Scented Setting Spray. Now, if you guys are a fan of the MILANI Make It Last Setting Spray, you guys are going to love this. This is literally the same thing. It's just a scented setting spray. So I am going to try really quickly the Mango Coconut because this is the one that I haven't tried. Before I started doing my makeup, I went in with the Kiwi Watermelon. I sprayed it all over my skin and it smells so good, you guys. I also really like that it didn't irritate my skin. It didn't feel like it was burning or anything like that. And it just feels really refreshing and they smell amazing. And then once I finished doing my makeup, I went in with the Dragon Fruit Peach and again, it smells so delicious. Like, it's going to be so hard for you guys to pick out from 3 setting sprays that smell equally as good. Like, if I were you, I would pick up all 3 because they're that good. Plus, they're going to last you forever. And I'm going to show you guys how it sprays before I spray it on my face. So it has a very fine mist, just like their Make It Last setting spray. That smells good. Okay, I'm going to apply a little bit to the face. That smells good. Love these. I am so happy that I got my hands on all 3 of them. Do I need them? No, but I wanted them. The last items in the collection are their Fruit Fetish Stay Put Bright Liquid Eyeliner. So they have 3 shades. They have Pinker the Berry, which is a hot pink. Kiwi Knit Real. I love the names. Queuing It Real, which is a neon-ish green. And then the last one is Mango Me Crazy, which is a yellow one. So let me open these little puppies up. All right, so we're going to do some backhand swatches. I'm going to let them dry out because I have tried other drugstore colorful eyeliners in the past, aka NYX. They always crack, especially white ones or the yellow ones. So let's see how these hold up. They are pretty small, if you guys can tell. Like, they are pretty tiny. And then when you open it up, this is the brush. So it is a felt tip brush. So let's go ahead and swatch that one. Wow. Okay, that is really pigmented. I'm gonna let it dry and see how it looks. It does have a matte finish. I don't see any glitter, and it's very pink, very vibrant. Let's swatch Mango Me Crazy, which is the yellow one. So that is the Mango Me Crazy. I feel like with this one, you might have to do 2 layers. I can tell because when I swiped it, do you guys see that in the middle? So this one might need maybe 2 or 3 layers. I will be sure to show you guys some sort of makeup tutorial and include these. And then the last one that I have here is Queuing It Real, which is again the neon green. Just like that. Wow, that green is really pretty. It's definitely not neon. It's more of an apple green. I guess that's how I would explain it. I do see like a very slight sparkle to them, but I don't think you will be able to see them once you apply them on the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and let these dry, and we're going to see if they crack or if they don't. So it's been about maybe 5 minutes, and these are completely dry, as you can see. They are not going anywhere. I don't know if these are waterproof. I don't think they are. If you guys can tell, the yellow one is the one that I might be a little bit worried about. It might crack. I do see it's cracking a little bit. The pink one and the green one, though, seem like they are pretty much okay. And then the yellow one is rubbing off on my finger a little bit. So just something to keep in mind. But again, I will have to try these on my eyes and let you guys know for sure if they do crack. But I have a feeling that the yellow will. So that is it for this review, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit shorter, but there's not much that I can say about lip balms and setting sprays. So definitely keep an eye out for an upcoming full face of new drugstore makeup. If there's anything that I could recommend to you guys, I would personally really pick up either a lip balm, a few lip balms, and a setting spray, or a few setting sprays and a lip balm. The lip balms are definitely my favorite from the entire collection. Look at how juicy my lips look. And you have so many shades and colors to choose from, or so many scents, I guess I should say. And again, if you guys are already a fan of the MILANI Make It Last, you guys are going to absolutely love them. My 2 favorite ones are the Dragon Fruit Peach and the Kiwi Watermelon. I would love to know in the comment section down below, what was your favorite products from this collection? I am really happy with this. It gives me summer vibes, and I am ready for it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you guys want to see more reviews on collections, definitely drop your comments in the comment section down below. And again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, and until next time, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.